Next up, I'm going to unbox the 482 Mountain Express. At least this one's got a different way to open it. You know what? I'm going to be running out of room here and unboxing them on top of each other. So, I'm just going to unbox them over here, and I hope I got the camera right. Maybe a little more this way. So here we go. As like I said, this locomotive's missing a rivet out of the wheel. But we will go through this, and well, I'll add it to the locomotive review. At least this one opens up this way. So there we go. I think this was supposed to be over on that side though. More brass track, more of those coupling units or pieces. Spare, well, what was elastic band. Oh, there's some accessories there with a ladder and all that on it. Let's check out the other book for that one. I wonder what that's for. And there was something in the back corner. Maybe a smoke bottle. But look at the size of that tender. That has got to be like the second or the most biggest tender I currently have. It's got metal wheels. Bit of hair down there. And it's got a metal pin going in. And a metal brake release. That's a nice detail. But there's a plug-in unit right there, so I wonder if this engine will make sound. And it's a CAA thingy. It's not assigned to me. We're not going to show that. With the tender. And all this other stuff. But some spare step ladders. Probably for the tender, maybe? Go on somewhere. Now here's the locomotive. I don't break anything here. This is heavy too. At any rate, little screw there. So it looks like I'll flip it around so you guys can see. So here we are, where the parts are kind of in a bit of a mishmash here. I'll have to look at the other side to correct it, but it's missing a pin right there, and that's part of the main driving wheels. So that would go like that, I guess. I'll have to match up on the other side. So we're not going to run this locomotive because it's kind of broken, which is a little sad. So I'm thinking those are little connecting rods. Oh boy. Got my work cut out for me because two of them go up top, one down below. But there are lots of nice little details on this. Anyways, I'll get that one figured out. Maybe salvage parts, if I can find a parts one somewhere. There's even a top piece that's missing. Which is a bit of a shame. Now there's four little mounted spots. I don't think this might be one of the Baldwin casts. And let's see here. Got the four little release valves. Got this bit in the back. Nope, we're actually missing some bits to this. But hey, at least the bell's on there and it's made of plastic. That's all there. So yeah, there's some bits back here missing. I wonder if they're in this packaging down here. Oh, they are. There is some stuff down there in the packaging. Okay, so that's probably for this locomotive then. Still, this side here got 1, 2 plastic pieces. Man, oh man, what a mess. At any rate, I'm going to set this down before I get too carried away. Well, actually, I'm going to try and get these pieces in place, and I'll be right back. Now, sadly though, as much as I got that, most of it all back together, there's a piece missing here. I'm not sure what it is. I might be able to make up a piece on a 3D printer, but I am going to need like a little screw or rivet for that. I think it's a little wee screw. But overall though, there's the 482, ready for the comparison. I am, however, going to be showing off. So let's take a look at the stock that comes with it. Do it this way. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a President's Choice caboose. I'm going to run these, and I'm going to set these up on the next train to show them off. So let's get that one going. Before we move on to the next unboxing, something I almost forgot, it was to check at the back, and the back of this box has the information on the locomotive. So it's a 482 mountain type steam. That's missing from tape. Class U1D, road number 6043. Now this engine weighs 22 ounces, or 624 grams for those who are interested. Power pickup from tender car. Yeah, we've seen that, so maybe it's just the power of the extra power for the locomotive, I guess. Headlight and automatic backup light on tender. Automatic backup light, okay. Heavy duty can motor, precision machine coated brass flywheel. Helical match gears, functional nickel silver plated coin brass driving rods and valve gear. Metal boiler and handrails. Metal boiler. Oh, probably the handrails in the front. Metal coupler lift bar on loco pilot deck and rear of tender. Metal handrails and locomotive cab, tender ends, and cistern roof. Body mounted universal coupler draft gearbox. White wall wheels, authentically detailed painted letter railroad colors. Will operate on 18-inch 64cm radius track layout. So there's a 482 that'll operate on an 18-inch layout, probably because of smaller wheels. Compared to my Blackman 484, which got the big driving wheels. End of the era, blah blah blah, April 25th, 1960. Okay, that's cool. Now, I don't see anywhere on here who manufactured this, and I didn't see a book inside. In fact, toy. I'll have to do some research on the internet later, I suppose. Well, oh, there's that piece. Okay, good. Good to know we got that in there. Excellent. And another spare coupler. Okay, let's get this all in this bag, and I'll put this camera down.